Welcome back to MSKTV. Learn whole number division without remainder the easy way with Susanna, Basics, and Tricks, Math for Kids, Series number 19. Lessons designed for grades 2 and 3 learners and for beginners. Hello, dear parents, educators, young learners, and math lovers. Thank you again to our subscribers. This is your channel, so please share our lessons to help other kids learn math. Are you ready for another fun and inspiring whole number division lesson? In series number 19, we're going to learn what division really means in an easy and clear way, instead of only imagining numbers. We will also practice division facts, divide by tens and hundreds, and get an introduction to long division. But let us wonder, what does whole number division mean in mathematics? In math, division means splitting a number into 2 or more groups. There are 2 kinds of division. Division without remainder, when we split a number and nothing is left over. In this case, the division gives equal groups. Division with remainder, when we split a number and something is left over. Let's first look at division without remainder. For example, divide 2 apples between 2 kids. Each kid gets 1 apple, and we see that nothing is left over. Divide 4 apples between 2 kids. Each kid gets 2 apples, and nothing is left over. Divide 6 apples between 2 kids. Each kid gets 3 apples, and nothing is left over. So we say 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And we write 6 divided by 2 equals 3. In division, the big number is called the dividend. The number we divide by is the divisor. The answer we get is the quotient. So, in this example, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Here, 6 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor, and 3 is the quotient. Meaning of division. Now, we have 9 eggs shared equally among 3 friends. Each friend gets 3 eggs. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3, and we write 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Examples. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. We write 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. We write 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Division facts. Find the quotient. What is the quotient of 42 divided by 7? Yes, that's correct. 42 divided by 7 equals 6. What is the quotient of 56 divided by 7? Yes, that's correct. 56 divided by 7 equals 8. What is the quotient of 35 divided by 7? Yes, that's right. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. Practice time. Missing numbers in division. What number divided by 5 equals 3? Answer: 15 divided by 5 equals 3. What number divided by 12 equals 5? Answer: 60 divided by 12 equals 5. Multiplication and division fact families. If 5 times 3 equals 15, then 15 divided by 5 equals 3, and 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Division by tens and hundreds. Tips and tricks. Tip 1. Ignore the zeros for a moment. For example, 340 divided by 10. Ignore the 0. 34 divided by 1 equals 34. Tip 2. Count the zeros. For example, 4,400 divided by 100. Ignore the 2 zeros. 44 divided by 1 equals 44. Tip 3. Break tricky numbers into smaller parts. For example, 5,400 divided by 90. Think of it as 540 divided by 9. The answer is 60. Tip 4. Match hundreds to hundreds. For example, 5,600 divided by 800. Think of 56 divided by 8. The answer is 7. Remember, dividing by tens and hundreds is easier if you simplify the numbers first. Practice time. Question 1. What is 72 divided by 10? Question 2. What number divided by 9 equals 7? Question 3. What is 2,400 divided by 8? Question 4. Solve 36 divided by 6. When numbers don't split evenly, we get a remainder. For example, 51 divided by 4 equals 12, remainder 3. In Series 20, we will learn about whole number division with remainder in detail with examples and exercises. Homework time. Complete 48 divided by 6. Solve 3,600 divided by 100. Try 45 divided by 7. Write quotient and remainder. Great work! See you next time in series number 20, only on MSKTV. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your parents, teachers, and friends. Your support helps us bring more fun and inspiring math lessons.